Hello viewers, assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi. How are you guys? Hope you are all on behalf of Master Video based with and conversation to all. Hello viewers, I have brought a new video in this channel. This video, how can I increase the KB of a pixel without changing the pixel and master billing? Then I will explain the video in today how to do. Before starting the video, I would like to say those are the new to my channel, please subscribe the channel and like, comment, share and other fan circle, and you will get motivation this video comment inshallah. So start the video without delay, stay with me. Hello friends, then the select file will be updated with the new image and size filter. Okay, this is the condition of the image filter of the Photoshop. Okay, this is the photo increase the Adobe Photoshop of Adobe Premiere Pro, and this is the option. Okay, this is the any kinds of option. Then I will explain in this video and to KB and size, the increase the KB and without and pixel size and increase. Okay, then please make sure the deselect the select file of resample. Okay, this is the simple of the resample. This is the condition. Then image cannot be deleted. Okay, however changing the resolution and printing the dimension cannot be done without changing the total number of the pixel and the image. So the any kinds of picture, this is the condition. Then the any option, then the any option, then remove, then okay, this is the any can change the horizontal and okay, this is the okay. Then the light option, you can choose the any option. Then I will explain the KB increase. This is the my photo increase the KB, then the original KB, then original KB the 57.6 KB. Okay, this is the condition of 57.6 KB. Okay, then there is a size of disk 60.0 KB and 16 byte. Okay, this is the condition. Then the Monday and 28 November 2022. Okay, this is the condition. Then I will explain the video and the increase the KB. Okay, this is the picture and the save as, then the any pixel name, then any pixel name. Okay, then the JPG or any kinds of file, then the save, then the quality to then low. Then okay, this is the option. This is the very important case of the KB increase. Okay, then the 10 or 12. Okay, 10 or 12, then the any kinds of low, medium, high, maximum, then maximum. Okay, this is the maximum the increase the photo, okay, or image, the any kinds of the no change, no value, no empty the pixel size. Okay, this is the increase the image option. Okay, quality, then the okay, then I will then okay already save it the image. Then the desktop, then the 50 FFF the name of the set and photo. Then the properties, this is the 315 KB, then 300 size, 350 KB size the bright of, then the size of disk and 316 KB. And okay, this is the Monday 28 November. Then the time already, this is the time Bangladesh time. Then okay, this is the option. So friend, any video, any image and online offline, then you can choose the KB increase the or increase then without changing the pixel. Okay, so friend, no more today. Those are still subscribe my channel and very quickly and the bell icon button and stay with us kinds of new video inshallah. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.